Good morning everyone, Jon here with another pre-loaded session video. Today is Wednesday the 17th of November. The time of this recording is 6:55 AM UK time. Before I start, as always, I would like to highlight that this is not financial advice. This is just the way that I see the markets and that I would like to share with all of you. Let's go back to the charts and let's go straight into it. I do have the DXY dollar index in front of me. Yesterday I did mention that I was expecting bullish dollar to trade at least into this gap area. Yeah, this is exactly what happened. The only bad thing is that the DXY did not go to the potential entry area that I mentioned before. If I'm looking at now at dollar, it's just for me really hard to keep buying, to keep buying dollar, because I do believe that we are at premium prices. I do not like to buy at premium prices. I do like to buy at discount prices. So I do believe that today might be a good day now for a sell-off. It's Wednesday and we might see a mid-week reversal, maybe into this gap area. Yeah, you can see between this week and this week there has only been buying pressure, so you might see some bearish relief probably into here. If you will see this today, probably, but yeah, of course it all depends on what the price is telling us. And so yesterday we were here, and time of the recording we were here, so I was expecting dollar to go a little bit higher to then trade lower into around imbalance area and then trade higher. Okay, unfortunately dollar did not come into our zone. It went up straight away to hit the target level. So for now, going forward, what am I expecting now for dollar? What we can see now is already kind of a trend line. Yeah, so retail traders will see this as a trend line. Retail traders will be willing to buy dollar. Yeah. What I do believe now is that dollar might trade a little bit lower. Yeah, trade a little bit lower. I do see here on the 50 minutes, I will show you later, guys, bullish order block, and we still have this gap area that was here, and I think that price might be willing to go back again to that gap area to then trade higher. So we do have two possibilities. Yeah, or we will react from the bullish order block, which is here. Yeah, or we will trade through the order block back into the gap area and then we will trade higher. If I see a clear break, and let me be clear, if I see a clear break of this area, yeah, of this gap area, then I will be willing to sell dollar. Then I will be willing to sell dollar. But I need to see that confirmation. I really need to see a break of this gap area. If not, this is the zone where I'm looking to buy. This is the zone where I'm looking to buy. And this is the zone where I'm looking to buy. But ideally, we will see a break of this gap area. Ideally, we will see a break of this gap area, and then we can look for a retracement. To then look for a sell opportunity. Okay, I hope this is clear. Because if we go now to GBPUSD, GBPUSD. Yesterday I was mentioning that I was expecting price to go a little bit higher than trade lower, which happened. But I think GBPUSD is setting up for a really nice bullish trade. If we go now to the daily time frame, then we see here the last bear before the bull. Yeah, and last night we traded back into the open of this candle. Yeah, we traded back into the open of this candle and we are now trading higher. So I do believe that GBPUSD is very bullish. Here we could see some liquidity. We run the liquidity and are now trading higher. Entry possibilities for if we are bullish. But of course it all depends on DXY. But if we are bullish and if we are bearish dollar, and so we are bullish GBP, then this might be here a nice entry opportunity. Stop should of course not be below here, and then I think we can be safe and target these levels and ultimately go and target the liquidity that is above here. Okay, so I really do believe in a strong GBP. Bear in mind at 7 AM now we will see some bullish relief, probably just because of the news that is coming out. Exactly. Yeah, so there is now news coming out. I was expecting this this move up. Euro GBP. If I go back to Euro GBP, I mentioned, remember guys, the order block area over here. I mentioned that we would be able to trade lower. Yesterday I was hoping for price to come back, hit this area to then trade lower. Fortunately, it just did what it wanted to do, and that's just trading lower. So Euro USD, I was mentioning that I was looking for this area, this gap area to be hit. Exactly what happened. Now we trade through this gap area, but we can see that we are leaving already kind of a wick, and this is on the daily time frame. So this is the Asian price action. So I also do believe that we might see now some bullish relief, and that we might see some bullish relief on Euro USD. But as I said before, I'm very bullish pound, so I do rather prefer to buy pound. I prefer to buy pound rather than euro. Yeah. Yesterday we were looking for sell opportunities in this area. Price did not trade into this area. We went straight down. A trade that I'm looking for is GBP/GPY. I rarely trade GPY trades, but from a fundamental perspective, I do believe that we will see some weaker safe haven currencies, such as GPY, CHF. So what I was hoping, just not sure if we will reach this area again, but I do believe that today we will reach a 155 area for GBP/GPY. So I was hoping for a retracement and to then enter a trade. Yeah, we will see. As I said, 7 a.m. now the news came out, and yeah, now we could see. Let's see if our trade is still valid. Yeah, we can consider this as being equal highs. However, and we see that they clear liquidity. So I'm not 100% convinced about this setup anymore. However, I will still monitor this area. If I see a reaction here, then I will be willing to buy GBPUSD probably to the 135,700 area. Okay, this is for me, guys. It has been quite difficult to predict the price action for dollar, but I do believe that once we are out of this area, that we will see very decent price action, whether it will be to the downside, whether it will be to the upside, but it will make our life as traders a lot easier. Okay, I wish you all a great rest of your day. If you do have any questions, please reach out to me in the Discord. We'll be more than happy to discuss all your guys' charts, and yeah, hopefully we will have a great trading day, but I really do believe so. So yeah, this was it for me, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we speak soon. Have a good one. Bye bye.